It's 10 p.m. Does Joe Biden know where Joe Biden is?
I'm not sure you know it. We'll be protecting California from Trump Republicans trying to block us from beating this pandemic. For these Republican governors, it isn't about public health. Look, folks, we don't. Gavin Newsom. To do what's right. For coughing. Get vaccinated to save lives. And I immediately rejoined the Paris Climate Accord. And look, fourth, when you think about it. Come on, man. Meanwhile, send a message to the nation. The choice should be absolutely clear. We need the real Donald Trump. We don't. What must be what? If you want to think you need to have weapons to take on the government, you need F-15s and maybe some nuclear weapons.